Hi children, today we are going to learn the 10 map pointings from Indian country. So it's easy way to find it. If you listen carefully once, it's enough to point out the next time. So mainly in this we are going to learn the easternmost states. So if you look at the first easternmost state, so this is the part. So this is the part which is extending eastern side. So just to observe this map, so this area is the front part of India. This area is the front part of India, and this front part of India is receiving the sun rays firstly. It means the sun rises in the east. We know that all. The sun rises in the east. So this is the east direction. And the sun rays are falling firstly the front part of India. The front part of India is nothing but Arunachal Pradesh. The speciality of the Arunachal Pradesh is the meaning of Aruna is nothing but sun. The meaning of Aruna is sun god or sun rays. Right. So it's the speciality of Arunachal Pradesh is the land of rising sun. The land of rising sun in India. And if you come down, so these three states should be remembered with the one shortcut. So that shortcut name is Namami. So it's a well-known word in our India. The word name is Namami. The first two letters stands for Nagaland. First two letters stand for Nagaland, and the middle two letters MA stands for Manipur. And the last two letters stands for Mizoram. So Namami, which is the shortcut, which is the easy word to catch these three states. One is the Nagaland, and the MA middle state is nothing but Manipur. The last two letters are nothing but Mizoram, Namami. And these three states, right, so these people, just imagine, to assume these three people are connecting in one place. It's not connecting actually, but just to remember. So we should think that these people are coming to this state, these three states people. So these three states people stays where? In a Tripura. To know that, so we are writing as a three. These three states, Namami people, comes to the Tripura. Right. So that nothing but this state is nothing but Tripura. And just imagine these two areas are resembling like a sun and upper part. Nothing but sky. Sun and sky. Means it's a gap, layers. So if Tripura, just imagine as a sun, if you are standing at the Tripura, this upper part, what you can look up, firstly we can look up in the atmosphere is clouds. If you're standing at the Tripura, you can see upper part or above your head clouds. So that clouds can be called in Hindi as a Megha. So nothing but it is a Meghalaya. So what you can see from your above part means the Megha. Megha is nothing but Meghalaya. And above the Meghalaya, what we can see is nothing but sky. So the sky in Hindi is called as a Asman. So Asman, AS. So the same way it is called as a Assam. This state is called as a Assam. In this Assam, first two letters are AS. So with this AS, Asman also will come. Asman is nothing but sky. And if you come to the one more state, which is looking like a nose. So which is looking like a nose. Just imagine it's a mountain. If you stand on this mountain, you can see all the neighbor countries. You can see all the right side, right side, left side and front side. All you can see. So from where you can see? From Sikkim we can see the neighbor countries. So we can see from Sikkim all the neighbor countries. So this is the way easily we can find map pointings. And if you come to the islands, so UTs, Union Territories, we are going to learn two more Union Territories in this. When we have a Lakshadweep and another one is Andaman and Nicobar. And we will confuse that whether to keep this side or this side. To catch this one, firstly you go with the Lakshadweep. So you should not put first Andaman Nicobar, just you put a Lakshadweep. So Lakshadweep starts with the L letter. Lakshadweep starts with the L letter, and this L letter first with the first letter, just to understand, to catch it easily. So just to keep in mind that Lakshadweep are left side of India. So the left side of India is this one. So these islands are Lakshadweep. So where it is located? It is located left side of India. So these islands. And opposite of this one, obviously, Andaman and Nicobar. So these are the states. Union territories and states we learn today. Firstly, the Arunachal Pradesh, the land which is extended front part of the India, and it is receiving the sun rays. So it is nothing but Arunachal Pradesh, the land of rising sun. And with the Namami, 3 states we can point out. That is Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram. And just for our assumption, these 3 people come to celebrate a festival. Which state? Tripura. Just for assumption only we are saying. So we are not, it is not connected with any state, but simply to understand easily. So that is nothing but Tripura. If you are standing at the Tripura, if you look into the above or atmosphere or sky, firstly you can see the clouds. That clouds are nothing but Megha. And clouds in Hindi is called as a Megha, nothing but Meghalaya. And above the clouds, what you can see is sky. Sky is in Hindi is called as a Asman. Asman is nothing but Assam. And one more state is which you can see as a nose part of India. So from the nose part of India, if you stand and see, you can just for assumption we can say that if you stand on the mountain, you can see all the neighbor countries. So that is nothing but Sikkim. SIC. C is nothing but you can see all the neighbor countries, and left side of India is Lakshadweep and right side of India is Andaman and Nicobar.